Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Sinalanga TT, Dimankala ko no ku USA ko ma dimachogera ko Botswana. Molly Bunch ine ndilibuino paliba vuto dimanfuna okuya kurara. Something like that. I have to be asleep right now. It's actually 10 o'clock as I record this. Or a little bit after 10 as I record this because it's very late, So if I fall asleep, I would have said wake me up, but this is a recording, so I'll have to just kind of figure it out. I'm reacting to this because I saw the comment section. A lot of people have been actually requesting this song, so I'm like, all right. Now that I've saw the comment section very late in the evening, I'm like, I cannot sleep. I'll be thinking about it, dreaming about it. So let's just do it now and get over it. Get over with it. Yeah, you know what I mean. So if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. I'll see you guys after this one. Let's get to it. It's Teddy Makadi featuring Lulu and the Mathumela band. Wait, this names are very familiar. I feel like I've reacted to all these people's music before. So let's see if I still remember faces. I haven't done this in a minute, so let's see. Supposed to be a wedding. What happened? Do we have a runaway bride? Let me take it back a little bit. Maybe let me listen to the words because I was like, oh, it seems like they're calling the bride like, yo, what's going Makadi. What? That's the time. What's the time? What's the time in Chichewa? Yeah, like yo, Ntawi, yo. They're like, Ntawi Zapita, and the guy's like, she's not coming. Yeah. This was a setup. Anyway, let me. Kumango kalila kuimba mafoni nduziwa umapangadala. Baby kandi yanke sindinga kale wa Misala. Yeah. Kumango kalila kuimba mafoni nduziwa umapangadala. Baby, why you do me so? Ndiuzo mavabanya timamo. Unandi uzo zandi konda kwa muyaya. Baby koma pano suni yanka holofoni. Iwai unandi kwesa mujikondi. Zose nkuma pangali mozi. Ine nkuma komera baby. Wakunditenga wa Misala. Nangandikani mala kwita. Kapena mwina ndibe mane. Nantima wasila kupasa. Seems like she didn't even bother to like get dressed or anything. She knew she wasn't going to that wedding, and everybody just gathered, just like stood the brother up at the altar, just like that. She didn't even put makeup on, nothing. It's not like somebody told her something and she just changed her mind. She knew she wasn't gonna go to that wedding. Like that, like. Baby, you told me that you love me. It wasn't nothing and you leave man. That's why unandisia hane. Ndikalengeza za wengine baby. Nekumaoneka wa Misala. Yeah. Wakisoni yanka kapena mine wa Misala. Kumango kalila kuimba mafoni nduziwa umapangadala. Baby kandi yanke sindinga kale wa Misala. Yeah. Kumango kalila kuimba mafoni nduziwa umapangadala. Timaundi wawe mpide umuti inende kulungila zakondega foni uzaimba uzandifuse uzandila. I cannot understand. Did I lose my touch with my chichewa? What is going on? Okay, Let me know in the comment section. Am I right or am I right? Like, something is up, but I cannot figure out what's going on. Wait, hold on. Did he just say? The problem.
Baby kandi yanke sininga kale wa Misala, yeah. Kumango kalira kuimba mafoni nduzi.
You know, this song has like some old vibe. I don't know if it's the clothes that they're wearing, the fashion. I'm not like so much into fashion. Maybe these things are coming back. This kind of clothes are coming back. I'm not sure, but it has that old school vibe, but also like it's a new school at the same time. I don't know. I could be wrong. It could be just the fashion and the song. Let me know in the comment section. What are they going here for? Teddy. Wouldn't it be amazing if Teddy Makadi would be like, yeah, that's, I mean.
Baby kandi yanke sininga kale wa Misala, yeah. Umango kalira kuimba mafoni nduziwa umapanga dala.
It's like there's an issue and she knows that he knows. And he knows that she knows that he knows, but we don't really know what, or maybe it's in the words, but it seems like she's not even remorseful from what she has done, which means he might have done something. Now I'm curious to know. Let me know, guys, please. With love. Makadi. It's a love song. It's a love letter. Yo, beautiful stuff. Thank you so much, Zuko Makwambiri, for the suggestions. Zuko Makwambiri for your support. I know I haven't been here, but it seems like you guys, you know. Zuko Makwambiri, I'm humbled. You know, it's hard. It's tough, guys. Life just gets busier as you grow old, isn't it? So, yeah, we'll try. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, did I say it? Maybe I didn't say it, but if you're here for the first time, yeah, I did say it because my hand is still... Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side.